You want to help me hold him? What do you think of him? That's baby Reese, Kenley.
Jason,
Do
where's
you
your
like him?
telescope at?
Baby.
He came. He's here. Yeah, look. He's got a little pumpkin hat on.
Go down.
Yeah, pull it down. Okay. Do you like him?
I like him.
Oh.
Hey, Daddy.
Hi,
The baby. The baby.
The baby's here, huh?
Can you
Can
give
you
him
give him a hug?
Can you give him a hug?
Oh,
Oh,
that's
so
nice.
nice. Can you give him a little kiss?
He's a little pokey.
He's a little pokey. What about right here? Do you want to give him a little kiss? That's really nice. That'll make him happy.
Oh.
That's your brother. You're his big sister, Kenley. Just like Doris says, you're going to be a big sister. You're his big sister.
There. Good news.
Good news? He is good news, huh?
It's a towel.
Yeah, we got to wrap him up like your babies and keep him warm. You want to hug him?
Your garden.
Yeah. Do you like him?
See, Mommy.
Yeah.
Oh, there.
Thank
Oh,
you.
yes.
That's so nice.
Hey, Papa. The baby.
That is a very pretty baby.
He's
Is that your little brother?
Cheese.
Cheese.
Say cheese. Well, Mimi, that's what Mimi wants to get her.
Yeah.
That's Mommy's.
Do you like baby brother? His name is Reese. The baby's name is Reese.
Aww.
I knew you would like him.
He's crying.
He's not crying. He's sleeping.
Kenley, say cheese. Kenley, look at Mimi and say cheese. Kenley.
Sleeping.
You can
Kenley.
stop, Dad.